Hi, good morning. This is No Budget Show and welcome to my channel. Alright, so for today's episode, we will gonna make a breakfast, sort of breakfast, because I haven't eaten my breakfast yet. Actually, it's almost lunch and maybe it's brunch. I don't know, it's No Budget Show. So anyway, yes, so we're gonna make our breakfast, brunch, or maybe snack. I don't know, because it's not typical Filipino morning food. You know what I mean? Because first we were gonna have shake. Who does a shake for breakfast, right? I'm referring to Filipinos. Yes, and we were gonna use a fruit that is not known to many Filipinos, and that is persimmon. Yes, that is kaki in Japan, but in English that's persimmon. Yes. So we were gonna make. We will try to make a no oven cake using persimmon. You know what I mean? But this is No Budget Show, so probably we will not gonna use all the ingredients for baking. So whatever in my fridge, that would be all our ingredients. I mean, and I have ample, yes, of of persimmon. So I've decided to divide them into two parts. Yes, one for our shake, buddy dance up, shake, buddy. Yes, because that's the easiest thing that you can do if you have a new fruit, is to shake it. You know what I mean? Yes, and the other one is, yes, the no bake cake. Hopefully it will work, but if it doesn't, it's okay, because that's the beauty in cooking. You can eat your mistake as long as it's not poisonous, you know. And yeah, I think we should start. By the way, you might see in my clips, in the, you know, the time lapse and everything, that I've wasted a lot of parts. Apologize for that, because I really don't know what I'm doing. I just want to taste and try those processes, because that's what makes this channel all about, you know. No budget, just cooking whatever are things around me and experimenting with the process and the ingredients. As long as I'm still alive, then the food that I prepare, they're all safe to eat, they're all safe to prepare. So you gotta try it. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all. Please enjoy this episode, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're not new, please don't unsubscribe. You know what I mean? And don't skip the ads. Yun lang. Thank you. Alright, so yes, you can see my face again, and it's an epic fail obviously because it's watery. So not watery because it's not water, it's liquidy. Maybe because I've put less flour or less baking powder. So next time I will just adjust the flour and the baking powder, and it's not that soft actually. It's between puto. Do you know puto? Yes, between puto and gelatin kind of feeling. And I've put chocolate because who doesn't love chocolate? But for the taste, you will get this part just to taste the not pumpkin, but the nani ko ra? The persimmon kind of taste. And this is our persimmon shake, by the way. It looks like mango shake, but smells better. I don't know, because I don't appreciate the smell of mango once it's shaked, especially the overripe mangoes. Anyway, this is about persimmon. Let's try. Not bad. I can actually eat this flavor because yeah, it's persimmon, but it's just epic fail. I just have to put more nani ko ra? Flour and baking powder, and the process is totally fine. You can use this without your steamer. I did not buy steamer because it's a bit expensive. Anyway, I just have to eat this. Okay, and look at the inside. that's okay. There. Jajang! Looks pretty, desu ne. Hi. I affirming myself. It's too big. Reminds me of and it's not that sweet, although I put chocolate already. It's not that sweet. Oishiso. Or maybe I'm just hungry. This is a good dessert. Okay. Okay, I can eat this. And this is our shake. Let's try. To be honest, I don't appreciate the shake actually. But it's fine. Persimmon is sweet by itself. I did not put sugar. It's sweet. If this is sweet, this is sweeter. Yes, technically yes. But it's not that sweet, like overpowering sweetness, no. It's kind of mild in my level. I don't appreciate this, but I almost finish it. Come on, no budget show. It's sweet. This is for dessert, snack, not for breakfast, not for brunch. Anyway, I'm just gonna eat it, and I'm gonna show you, or maybe not. Just stay tuned for the next video, next upload. Here. Bye. Itadakimasu.
Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.